Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be cleaning up an old timer, reshaping the point. It looks like an old timer, which it's actually a Craftsman, but Shrade done this for Craftsman. But you can see that blade is rounded up real bad. We're going to give it a nice new point, nice new edge. You can see that right there. It says Craftsman. All it is a folding hunter, a Shrade folding hunter is all it is. We're going to put a lanyard back here. We're going to give it some of its dignity back, guys. But it's going to be a good knife. The only thing that's wrong with it just needs to be cleaned up and a nice new point. And a lanyard has got a hole in it. It deserves a lanyard. Then we're going to wax this sheath up real good. So it's going to be fun. It's a great day in the knife shop. Anyway, guys, thank y'all for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, here it is, guys. See this old timer right there? It's old timer sheath. Then you got this here. Just needs to be cleaned up. It does have somebody's initial on there, and I think I'm gonna try to sand that off. This blade's in good shape. It's gonna clean up good. It's got a great edge on it too. We're gonna retouch it up though. It looks like it's been whittled down some, but still retains its shape. But this is the blade we're going to work on. We're going to come from the bottom up all the way up that corner right here, guys. It's going to be nice. And here is the tang right there, Craftsman Stainless USA. Again, this is made by Shrade. It's going to be a pretty knife when I get done. It really is. Then we're going to wax this sheath down real good. Won't take long at all. But so now we'll fix to go around a fiber wheel and clean this thing up. See, it's pretty nasty down there. See that? We'll see how clean we can get it. Okay, now guys, we're gonna hit it with some Ellaville. Get a new piece. Just try to shine it up just a little bit. And then when we put the new tip on there, we're gonna shine it up with Flitz. I'm gonna wait to get that off of there because I'm afraid, see, the handle's in great shape. It's so easy to hit that handle with that sander. So I'm gonna look for a messed up one of these and get the old timer shield out of there. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, now I'm fixing to take it over there and give us a new tip and a new edge. I'm gonna give us a new edge too. I'm using a 400 grit sanding belt. It's a little worn. That's what I like. But it's gonna look good now. It'll look real good. Now we're going to put on a 240 belt, a fresh 240, so we can hone that blade in. This is stainless steel. It's really hard, and this is a worn out 400. So we got the tip made, but now we got to put the edge on it. So we got to get a fresh belt. It does better, especially with it being, now if it was just stainless, if it was just carbon steel, we could continue with the 400 grit. But it's stainless, so it's very hard. Alright guys, I'm actually using a worn 120. I'm out of 220, so that's what I'm going to use to try to cut this stainless. See, because anytime you put a point on the blade, guys, after it's been broke, when you go up from the bottom up, like I did, it's real thick right there. You see how thick that is? I got to put an edge on both sides of that. I got to grind that down to make it a blade sharp right there. But you see it's flat. You see how good that blade looks right there. Looks real good. I'm actually using a worn 120. I'm out of 220. So I'm going to try to use this belt here, which is probably around 220. So we'll see. Got the 400 grit on there now. Okay, now guys, we're fixing to hit it with some Flitz. Okay, now guys, we're fixing to wax the sheath and wax the lanyard that we're going to be putting in there. Again, this is Mama's Outback Leather Wax. You can buy it at Shangle Homestead Leather Works. $5 a can. Good stuff. It's a great family that owns that Shangle Homestead Leather Works. I met them at the Bushcraft Gathering up in Watkinsville, Georgia this past November. Great family. They really are. They're from Ohio. Okay, here it is, guys. The old timer Craftsman, made by Schrade, of course. Beautiful, ain't it? See the bolsters? They cleaned up really good. The back cleaned up good. The handles are in great shape. There's a little gap right there, but that's just how it was made. But check this blade out right here. Ain't that awesome? See that? Give it a nice new edge, and it's sharp now. You want to see how sharp it is? See this right here? Pretty sharp, ain't it? Pretty dang sharp. Sharp enough for me. Nice new edge. Got good snap. Gave that one a nice new edge too. And it's sharp too now. Ain't that awesome, guys? Look how clean it is on the inside. Look at that. Ain't that awesome? Very cool. Again, this is a Craftsman right here, made by Schrade. It's got somebody's initials there, but I'm going to look for an old-timer shield. But that blade couldn't have turned out no better, guys. It's got a pretty shape to it. You can see it's a little bit short. If you ever looking to buy a knife, and if you're wondering if the blade's been redone, you just turn it over like that. If they're not about the same length, then you know it's been redone. But if you just pick that blade up like that, you wouldn't hardly know it. You know what I mean? It's pretty nice. I made that a little long. I'll probably redo it and make it about that long. But it's alright for right now. So this knife's going to be in the auction, guys, come August the 5th. August 5th. Awesome, ain't it? And then hopefully by then I'll be done found a old-timer shield for that. Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I just love doing this, guys. Love doing this. Somebody sent this in probably 6 months ago, and I'm just now getting around to it. I saw it, and I've been wanting to do it for a while, but today's finally the day, and it turned out absolutely perfect. Ain't that awesome? Cool, ain't it? Love doing this right here, guys. Great snap. That's awesome stuff though, ain't it, guys? Love it. And then that turned out good too. Really did. It's like new. I'm telling you, it ain't been worn much. You can see it ain't been worn that much, but it's been used now. It was used and abused. Somebody broke that blade, abusing it. But she's all better now. Beautiful, ain't it? Love it. And tomorrow, guys, I'm probably going to be on a little road trip. I'm going to be hitting some pawn shops and some antique stores with my buddy Glenn. So I can't wait for that. He called today, was wanting to go hunt for knives, so guess what? He called the right person. We're going to be hunting for some knives. And by the time y'all are watching this, we'll probably already be done hit 2 or 3 pawn shops. Again, guys, I just want to thank y'all for tuning in today. I want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.
I'm the knife doctor on the road, saving old blades, so many stories told. USA made, fixing those springs, handles repaired, they shine and they sing. Flea markets, pawn shops, antique stores, searching for treasure, always room for more.